Hello dear fans. How to develop an interest in mathematics. Math is one of the most difficult subjects for school children. Its study is given to many students with difficulty. Mathematics is often taught in schools in isolation from practice, from real life. Its laws seem too abstract, complicated, boring, unnecessary. But if you correctly draw up a program for studying this subject, use methods of instilling interest in mathematics in students, show how exciting and informative classes in this science can be, then the study of this subject will be easier. Instructions. Step 1. Interest in mathematics should be developed both in those children who clearly have mathematical abilities and promise to become good programmers or scientists, as well as in school children with average or even low abilities in abstract calculations, counting and other mathematical operations. In any case, mathematics classes will be useful for the development of certain intellectual qualities, logical thinking, the ability to creatively solve problems, the ability to generalize, find patterns, think quickly, plan. Step 2. It is advisable to start developing an interest in mathematics from an early age, when the child is just learning to count, or from entering the first grade, when this subject appears in the school curriculum. The older the child becomes, the more mathematical knowledge he missed, the more difficult it will be to captivate him with this subject and make up for lost time. Step 3. Show your child, by example, how mathematics is connected with other areas of science and human activity, what significance it has on the development of medicine, physics, chemistry, industry, agriculture. To do this, it is not enough just to talk about the influence of mathematics on other areas of science. You need to clearly demonstrate the value of calculations, for example, work together to solve a practical problem, calculate the area of a land plot, make calculations for constructing a model, calculate the proportions of ingredients in a recipe, calculate gasoline consumption during a trip. The more often you pay attention to such situations where mastery of mathematics is required, the faster interest will be stimulated. Step 4. If at school, the tasks seem too boring for the child, select more creative and interesting tasks for him, find exciting puzzles, math games. Play chess with your child. This game develops mathematical abilities. Use playful methods in your math lessons, arrange a competition or make the problem part of a fairy tale. If your child has difficulty solving school problems, make their conditions more visual, draw on paper, use available tools to make the imagination work. Thanks for watching.